Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ram 1500 ST. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in maximum steel. It looks awesome. You do have that bug deflector up front there with the chrome accenting on your grille and your chrome bumper. You got your lights right there. They are very bright, and your fog lights down there. And coming all the way around to the side of the vehicle, we do have our Goodyear brand tires with our 17-inch rims. They look awesome. Lots of tread on them as well. They are heated exterior mirrors, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got a 5-foot box back here. So you do have the Ram badging as well as the 4x4 and the chrome bumper back here as well. You can open this guy up. Lots of room back here as well. It does have the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all there. You got your handle and some storage down here. Looks awesome in here, very spacious, very comfortable seats as well. You do have the controls over the lights right here, so the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights right there, and in-cabin light control here. And then right up here, we do have the controls over our windshield wipers, our turning signals, and our high beams. Let's start her up here, key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center, it does tell us the temperature outside, how many kilometers we have, and how fast we're going. But we can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. We also have our messages, screen setup, settings, and we can turn the menu off as well. Now that is control from right here with your horn in the center and cruise control options right there. Got your gear shift right up here, and then in the center we do have our radio. Looks great. So you got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as your media tab. Presets down here, info, ABC, volume up and down with the power, your skip, pause, and all those, and then your audio, menu, and back button, as well as your tuner over there. We do have our 2-wheel, our 4-wheel lock and 4-wheel low down here, as well as right over here we do have our climate control, so the power up and down with the circulation, temperature control, hazard lights, and then the mode with the defrosts. Then you also have your traction control and your tow and haul mode. Got some storage in there, some more storage right there. 3 cup holders with your armrest, doubles as a storage container. Some coin holders there with the USB and aux cord plug-in right there. Then you can lift this guy up. You do have another seat underneath there, so it does seat 6 people all together. And then we do have the top and bottom layers for our glove boxes. Looking great. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you got your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks awesome back here. Very spacious. It is a crew cab, so you do have the 3 seats back here as well. Then you got some storage just underneath there, and underneath the floor mats here, you do also have some additional storage. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a close look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.